Hi everyone. Welcome to the another session of the GitHub tutorial series. Today we are going to learn how we can switch to another branch. So let's say we are on feature test to branch, but we have to work on another branch. Let's you want to work on the another branch. So for that you have to right click on this project, click on teams, click on switch to, and there is option others. So now there are two options. Either you can switch to a branch which is locally present in the Git, or else suppose you want to switch to branch which is in the remote right now. So as of now we can see that there is no branch in the remote tracking. So let's say we want to switch to master branch right now. So as we can see from here that we are right now on the feature test to branch. So we just click on this master, click on checkout, and that's it. We are now click on the master branch right now, and that's it how you can switch to another branch. Thanks for watching this video. Please stay tuned to get more updates on this GitHub tutorial series.